Hello everyone, welcome back Space. In today's easy and beginner friendly tutorial, we will learn how to put a header on only specific pages in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Whether you want to header on only first page, only the last page or certain sections of your document, this video explains everything clearly and simply. So follow me step by step. We can see here a document. You can open your document. When you edit your header, go to this page. Now I am zoom out my document. You can see this multiple pages view. Go to the view menu and select this multiple pages view. Now I am enable this already. Now I want to add header on this third page or the middle page of this document. You can add it on the first page only, otherwise last page, or your choice to any page. Now I firstly separated the third page to another pages. Now I am go to the second page last and go to the layout menu, click this break drop down menu and choose the next page. Then go back the third page and again make a break. Then double click on the third page and we can see here the header section 1, the first and second page, and the section 2 only on the third page, and section 3 another page. We can see we already separated the third page. Now I click this third page and turn off the link to previous and go to the next page and again click this link to previous option. I unlink to another page. Then I write my header text. You can write anything. Then select the text and go back the home menu and increase the font size. Then double click on the middle of page and we can see we added header only on certain pages very easily. I hope this video is clear and simple. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.